Dear viewers, welcome to Deeba's recipe. Today I am going to show you how to make rasmalai. In a deep pan, I have taken 1 liter of full cream milk. I have added a few cinnamon sticks, 2 cardamoms and 1 bay leaf. To make the malai from the milk, I am going to simmer the milk till the milk comes to half and thicker enough. I have added 1 teaspoon of chopped almonds. When the milk comes to boiling, I have added half cup of sugar and stir very well. While the milk is cooking, I am going to squeeze out the syrup from the rasgullas and put it in a separate bowl. When our malai is thick enough, I am going to add all the rasgullas into the malai and cook them for 5 minutes. Instead of stirring, I am going to shake the pan gently. Our rasmalai is ready. Now it's time to serve the rasmalai. Viewers, you can garnish the rasmalai with chopped pistachios, chopped almonds and saffron. Keep the rasmalai in a refrigerator and serve chilled. Dear viewers, hope you liked my recipe. Thank you for watching.